So now let us learn logical operators. So in Python, logical operators are used to combine or manipulate between the Boolean values which are true or false. And also the result is always a Boolean value only. And we have three logical operators, which is AND, OR, NOT. So coming to AND, it returns true if both the operands are true only. If any of the operand is false, the result is false. So coming to OR, it returns true if at least one operand is true. If both are false, the result is false. If it contains true, then the result is true. And coming to NOT, returns the opposite Boolean value of the operand. Okay. So this is how it works between two different conditions. So 5 is greater than 3, which is true, and 2 is less than 4, which is true. So true and true is always true. Okay. So let me take a small example. Suppose let us take Myntra or Amazon. So, like Amazon is providing you with 20% discount if a person is shopping for more than or equal to 5,000 and you are using ICICI card only for the payment. In that case, you will be getting 20% discount, and if not, there is like no discount is applied. So let us check how. So here the customer named Jai has shopped for $8,000, and now he has finished his shopping, and now he has come for the payment, and he is using ICICI Bank. So our condition is what? The bill has to be greater than 5,000, which is 8,000. 8,000 is greater than 5,000. True, right? And card double equals to ICICI. Jay is using his card, which is ICICI, which means that he has got 20% discount and he's going to pay 6,400. Likewise, but David has bought more than like 9,000. 9,000 is greater than 5,000. True, but he is using Bank of America card, which is false. So he's not getting any discount and he's going to pay full amount. Likewise, Rohit is like shopped for 4,000, which is less, but he's using ICICI card. But both the condition didn't satisfy. We are using AND, right? So both the condition didn't satisfy. So he's not getting discount. So he's going to pay 4,000. Likewise, like Lara got bought for $2,000 and she is using Bank of America card. Both of the conditions are not satisfied. So it's false, and she's also going to pay $2,000. Okay. Now let us take another example for OR operator. So like let us apply a 10% discount if a person is shopping for greater than or equal to 5,000 or using ICICI card. Either if the person is like shopping for more than $5,000 and or he's using ICICI card, I wanted to give the discount 10%. If he or she is not shopping for $5,000 or not even using ICICI Bank, I don't want to apply any discount. Okay. Now, Jay bought like $8,000 worth rupees products and he is using ICICI. So let us check for according to our condition. Like he has to either bill for more than 5,000 and he has to or he has to use ICICI card. So here both the conditions are true. He has billed for more than $8,000 and also he is using ICICI card, which means that I am going to give him 10% discount and he's going to pay only. Okay. So he is going to pay only $7,200. So coming to David, he has also shopped for more than 5,000, but he is using the card Bank of America. But one of the condition is satisfied, right? So he has shopped for more than 5,000. So I wanted to apply for him 10% discount, which means that he is going to pay 8,100. Likewise, for Rohit also, like he has shopped for only $4,000, which is false. But he is using ICICI card for the payment. So, but still I wanted to give him 10% discount because he is using ICICI card. So, he is going to pay 3,600. Likewise, Lara has shopped for less than 5,000. and she's also not using ICICI, she's using Bank of America card. So I'm not going to give her any discount and she's going to pay the full amount. So this is how it works with the logical operators and different conditions and different requirements. Okay.